This little owl made of pipe cleaners is super cute and it's easy to make. So let me show you how. For this project, you will need 4 dark brown pipe cleaners, 1 orange and 1 tan pipe cleaner, fingernail clippers, a large marker, googly eyes, and craft glue. We'll start with the owl's body. We're going to use 2.5 pipe cleaners for this, and we're going to connect them together by twisting the ends, and so that we get a long pipe cleaner. I'll cut the third one in half, and we will use the other half later to make the wings. Now we're going to twist our very long pipe cleaner around the barrel of a large marker. So hold the end against the marker and twist a coil, one right next to the other, until you've finished the first pipe cleaner. Then keep twisting, but go back over the first coil so we're making a thicker body for our owl. Tuck the end in, and then remove the bundle from the marker and set it aside. To make the head, take another brown pipe cleaner and hold it against your marker, but leave a little tail, just about 1 inch or less before you start bundling. So this one we're going to make a tighter bundle, just do 2 or 3 coils and then bundle the rest around to make the head. Leave another little tail of about 1 inch and then remove that from the marker. Bend one of the tails straight down. This is going to go into the body of the owl to hold our head in place. With the other tail, we're going to make the owl's little ears. Start on the far end of the coil so you have enough to work with, and you're going to bend just as tiny of a little triangle that you can, and then bring the pipe cleaner across and make another tiny little triangle to make the owl's ears. Okay, now you can set that part aside. Take the half of the pipe cleaner that you set aside, and we're going to make the wings with this. So to do that, we're going to leave a space in the middle, about 1/2 inch or maybe 3/4 inch, and you're just going to fold up one end and make a little wing shape, and do the same thing on the other side. Now that we've got all of our body parts, we'll assemble the owl. To attach the wings, hold that middle part up tight against that tail at the base of the head, and then wrap it around once, just so that those wings will stay securely in place. Now, just insert the rest of that tail into the body. And go ahead and adjust your wings and the head so that everything looks good. To make the feet of the owl, cut an orange pipe cleaner in half and set half of it aside. Take the end of the pipe cleaner and thread it through the bottom coil of the body of the owl, and then center it. And now you're going to form tiny little talons or toes on each side. So you're going to bend just small little points. We're going to give him 3 toes or talons each. So you want those to be just as tight as they can be. And then do the other side. And then you want to arrange them so that your owl can sit up freestanding. All right, next we are going to add the face to our owl. So you're going to clip about 1.5 inches of that scrap of orange pipe cleaner, and fold it into a beak, it's going to be a lot longer than you need it to be because we're going to put it deep into the head. So set that aside. Take your tan pipe cleaner and cut it in half. Now we're going to make the eyes, and how you do that is just roll each end as tightly as you can into a coil toward the middle of that pipe cleaner. And I'm going to roll the last two coils just kind of behind so it doesn't get too large. Do the same thing for the other side. And again, that's about the right size, so I'm going to roll a little bit behind. Okay, make sure those are even and about the same size. Give just a little gap in between. Now to place this onto the head, take the beak and insert it so that the middle of those coils are in between. And then you're going to stick the ends of the beak into the coils on the head to hold those circles in place. Now make the belly of the owl with the last half of the tan pipe cleaner. Simply roll it into an oval shape. So coil it up, make sure it's oval, not round. And then leave a tail at the end and bend that down, like so. And to put that on, we're going to insert it into the body between the head and the body and just pinch that in so that it stays in place. The last step is to put googly eyes on your owl. So you want to put a generous blob of glue right in the middle of each of those circles. And then set the eyes in place. Let the glue dry completely and your owl is finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner crafts and other ideas. There's new episodes every week, so you don't want to miss one.